Hello friends, welcome back to Totally Dazzled with a creative life with Kris Hunter. How is everybody? Come on in. So let's bring you down and let me show you. You guys, repurpose those hats. Maybe it's got a patch on it. This one had a patch on it. I didn't like it. I didn't like the patch. I have never liked the patch. And so I was like, you know what? This is a cute pink hat. We are going to make this something new. That's what we're going to do today. I have some jeans. When I cut off jeans, or if there's a pair of jeans that's been ruined and they're like, these have to be thrown away now, I'm like, oh, wait, let me see them. Let me cut them up. I'm going to cut, and I'm not measuring. I'm not doing anything except making a patch that will cover this hat. Cut it like this. Okay, so now what I have to decide is, how do I want this patch? Put that off of there like that. So now I'm gonna cut this to fit. So you see how this is fraying? I want it to fray. It is so easy to make your own patches. Y'all, look at the Valentine appliques. I love that she has added these holiday appliques. There we go. Okay, so we've got frayed edges. I'm going to make this a patch. So I want to look this applique. I don't know which side, if I want to use the. All right. I've got Beacon 3-in-1. I have it upside down because I want all the glue down to the bottom. I'm going to be using Beacon 3-in-1 on this. So there is the beginning of our patch. Now I want to look, so I'm going to do this, do this. Just like that, it's darling. Just like that, it's really cute. You want to add this. I am going to show you this. Let's see what. Do we want to add some gold? Gosh, that is stinking cute. We're gonna add her to this. Let's see. Ah, I love that so much with the red. I love that with the red. Ooh, I like that. So yes, I love the flower. Love the flower. So we're doing the flower. Oh, y'all. Just like this, it's cute. Let's try it on. Let's try it on and see. Stinking cute. Okay, I'm looking at this hat. Okay. Let's see, what do we want to come around? I kind of like this. I don't even know where I got this, you guys. It's like a little bit and bob that I just had in a place. I don't know where it came from. But look, it's like a little flower. like a little flower. Okay, I want that on there. Okay, that is stinking cute. Okay, we are going to we're going to use our heat tool. We're going to use our heat tool because we're doing it on fabric. It's the perfect place to use the heat tool. Here we go. I really want this rose on here. Would that be too much? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my picker pen, wax on one end, and the other end is the end that you use to push it around and glue and stuff like that, okay? So we are going to use the wax tip. Especially when it's cold like it is up here, I always rub my wax tip in the palm of my hand that's a little bit warmer. It usually is warmer than this because it's cold up here today. And now you're going to need to actually hold this up because hold this down on the stone. It's going to heat up the back side of that. Y'all, I really feel like I want this on here somewhere. Getting my glue in here. Oh, hello, Kris. Let your glue dry. So, this glue will work. I'm gonna have to glue down the big stones because of the seam, the stitching that's on this hat. You guys, here it is. Look at it! So stinking cute. What do you guys think? Have an amazing weekend, and I will be seeing you guys very, very soon. Bye, y'all.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.